Gorgeous out there today. Temperatures holding in the 60s and 70s.
So my name is Elisa Raffa, and I'm a meteorologist and climate journalist at Queen City News, Fox, Charlotte. Makeup. I was an atmospheric science major, so I learned the quasi-geostrophic equation. Nobody taught me about eyeshadow primer. Shoes. We've got like 2 minutes.
Let's go ahead and bring in meteorologist Elisa Raffa. We're stuck in the 60s right now in Charlotte. It's 60.
They say every meteorologist has their storm that got them interested, and for me it was Hurricane Katrina. I just remembered thinking, there's gotta be a way I can use my science to help these people. I'm born and raised in New York City. I always loved science and math. I wound up at Cornell, so I was doing all the nitty-gritty physics and calculus. And I got my first job in TV in Sioux City, Iowa. I learned so much about agriculture that I never would have learned in the concrete jungle. And I think it made me better prepared to talk about climate.
Springfield is in the middle of all of that red.
Springfield, Missouri is where I got my second job. I really enjoy using the Climate Matters resources to do these kind of in-depth stories.
Remember these days?
One of the Climate Central reports actually showed that Springfield was top 5 for snow decline.
We all hate to say climate change, but we know it's there.
People recognized these changes themselves, and because I had these local faces, it was more relatable to them and they could care about it more. The oceans are getting warmer, right? So
when I came here, one of the things that I saw as an opportunity was for some station in town to own climate science. So she was one of the first people I hired.
Late Thursday, research has shown that most meteorologists on TV are some of the only scientists that a lot of American people know,
The goal is to be carbon-free by 2030.
So to me, it's just ingrained in my job to talk about climate as the trusted science source on air. The good part about climate change is we know the solution. We're at least not scratching our heads trying to figure out what do we do. We know what to do. We just have to do it.